This exhibit belongs to Mr. Dick Cushman, and he's from Newton, Hampshire. What you have here is you have a boiler. He has a lot of steam engines connected.
Steam pump and 3 engines and a turbine which is not running.
Okay, you going to tell me some more about it?
Yeah, right now we're building up pressure to 45 pounds.
Okay.
PSI, pounds per square inch.
All right.
In here.
Uh-huh.
This is your ash pit. Here's your breather. Now it's a damper actually. This is your thing to shake the grate to make the ashes fall into the ash pit.
Okay.
Water glass, your pounds gauge, and there's your temperature gauge for the stack.
Okay. Now, why do you have to watch all those gauges? Is there a certain point that it gets a little dangerous, or what?
Well, not actually. At 50 pounds, the safety valve blows.
Okay.
So this
So it'll blow off some steam?
Exactly. But I've developed a system to keep it between 40 and 45. And when it gets to 45, I bring it down to 40. And when it gets to 40, I bring it up to 45. So that then it doesn't get to 50 where it blows off.
Oh, okay.
And right now we're building up. I let it go below 40 by mistake. So we're building up to go to 45. We burn wood.
Okay.
And
now, why is it that you want to keep it at 45? Does it have something in particular to do with the little steam engines over there? Does it make them run
yeah,
any different?
Most of them, they will run at 40, but since it blows off at 50, you have to keep the pressure between 40 and 50.
Okay.
So 45 is about the midpoint. So basically what you have to do is you have to close this, close your damper, then open up the firebox door.
Okay.
To let the engine, let the thing cool down, and then you open the firebox.
Okay. Can you tell me anything about the engines?
Yes, that engine is running a pump like was in coal mines in England when steam engines were first widely used. They were used to pump the water out of coal mines. They were
Okay.
smoky, dirty, and noisy, but the miners appreciated them so they wouldn't get flooded.
Okay. What else do you have?
That's just a plain horizontal engine running a generator.
Okay.
And it's running a little fast to be scaled because you have to get the generator turning over. And this engine back there is doing absolutely nothing, but that engine reverses. And that is a water pump, which is pumping the water into our boiler.
Oh, okay.
And now if you want to watch me, I'm going to start the process to go back down to 40.
Okay.
First we close this, then over here we close the damper. We don't close the damper all the way because that's where the air goes to get the fire.
Uh-huh.
Then we open the firebox to let that cool down. And blow the whistle a couple times. Eventually it'll drain the pressure down, and of course all the engines are still running. And occasionally you do have to open up the firebox and put a couple of pieces of wood in. Can't fit it in, you put it on the block to be chopped. There's about 12 things you need to chop down here. And now we're almost at the 45. And then we're going to start the process. Oh no, hold it. We're still going down here. We're still burning off. That's the back. Now we're almost coming to 40. Now it'll start going up. Take the ashes.
Yeah.
The ashes go down. Put more wood on the fire.
Very good. What can you tell me about these engines over here? Do you know anything about them?
Oh yeah, the engines here are hot air engines, which are supposed to be running.
Uh-huh.
And
They're hot air engines.
yes,
Okay.
Dick, that one needs to be lighted. Some of these.
That's okay.
Occasionally these things. Yeah, need to be.
These don't like the wind out here.
Oh, I know it.
But
It's blowing right into these things.
It's okay.
they run on propane.
They run on propane. Okay.
Not all of them do. They're supposed to run on a little gas light,
Okay.
and then you have to have a flame. So that's why the wind blows out. That one's going a little bit too fast. It's been sitting, and all the propane builds up in the cylinder.
Oh, all right.
Slow down eventually. This one's pretty slow.
Very good. What's your name?
Joey Kelly.
Thank you, Joey. You know quite a bit about this.
Oh, thank you. Oh, boy.
I thank you for your interview.